I see you're hungry again and still living in the dorm room. So today we're gonna do chicken nuggets. Who doesn't like good chicken nuggets? And we are going to use our handy dandy little air fryer to do them. This is what was on sale at the store, and it says 3 servings per container, each of them being about 4 ounces. So you're going to need your little food scale, and each serving is 10 carbohydrates. Let's see. And instructions would be great. Okay, it actually has air fry instructions. So we're gonna preheat our air fryer. I don't believe it goes all the way up to 400. So we're going to do it at 390. And it says to cook for 10 to 12 minutes. We'll probably go all the way to 12 minutes and check at 10 just to make sure. And here is the brand that I'm using in case you want to know. All right, let's get cooking. There we go. All right, so we're gonna measure out 4 ounces of our chicken nuggets. We got to turn our kitchen scale on, and let's see. Okay, either you can find a smaller one or just go with that. It's not too much over. Let's see. Oh, that's bigger.
Yeah, I think I'll just go with this one.
Okay. All right, so all we gotta do is open up the drawer. It's gonna be warm, so know that, and it won't be a surprise. Put your hand, I was gonna say, put your hand on the top, but I see what you're doing. All right. All right, they fit pretty good, don't they? Okay. So we're gonna go 390. We're going to set it for 12 minutes, but we will check it at 10 just to make sure they are finished and don't need to have any more cooking done. All right, we'll be back in about 10 minutes. Okay, while we are waiting, if you want a ranch dipping sauce, we got this at Walmart. And they're just little to-go packets of ranch sauce to dip your chicken nuggets in, or anything else you want to dip. Shows a carrot, shows pretzels. They're really, really convenient, easy to store. They do not need to be refrigerated. And yeah, I recommend stocking up on those and bringing them to the dorm with you. All right, it's been about 10 minutes, and I'm gonna check on them just to make sure they're cooking well enough. Oh yeah. I'm gonna flip them over. They are hot, so be careful when you do this. So the timer just dinged, and we're going to take them out and see how they did. Got to turn, oh, okay, it is on. They're most definitely hot. They're 201. They're definitely hot. Good enough for eating, even though the air fryer didn't get up to 400 degrees. So we're going to take them out and we're going to enjoy them.